Alright. Hello, hello. So, we're back in Godot today, and I think I have the least amount of plans today than any other. So we'll see what happens. It is very hot, but I've got some nice cold water with me, so I should be alright. Okay. Let's switch over to Godot and see what we've got. I've done a bit of work, mostly just lighting stuff, and I did a bit of a main menu, so we'll see. What do I want to work on is the question. Like, I need like a settings. We need to do settings. I probably should do a load screen. What else? Settings, a load screen. I'm thinking I might need to change the font, because it's really difficult to read, even though it does look cool. It's just hard to read. Oh, I need to fix that. Maybe we'll do this first. I need to fix the HUD. Because the HUD, yeah. The HUD's pretty boring. Just the typing stuff. I need to fix that so that it scales with the resolution as well. So we'll do that quickly, I guess. Sure, that'll be the first thing we do. So I'm gonna have to fix all of this then, aren't I? Okay, well, that's fine. Oh, I should fix the crosshairs as well. I don't like the ones that were given as part of the demo project. They're not that great. Okay. Well, let's add a control. What is this? File not found. Movement controller. Why is it attempting to open that? That's weird. Not what this is called? No. No idea why that error is getting thrown. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. Okay, these here, and then I'll need to fix all of this. Cows text title. Do this. Okay. That should still work the same as it was before. Yep. Make sure it's still updating. Good. Now this. Oh, we got a subscription. Wow, that was quick. Igor. Oh, damn it. I need to fix the there's no like back shadow on the text on the thing, so it's hard to read. But anyways, thank you for the subscription. I've barely started, so I hope you know what you're getting into, which is a whole lot of pain and suffering on my part, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's see here. What was I doing? Yes, this. So that should be fine now. Oh, looks fun. Sorry, Igor Garmash. There we go. Yeah, it looks. I'm surprised how much. Just like adding the lighting and a bit of fog, how much that really brings everything together. It looks so flat before. Can I show that? How it looked before? Like if I turn the fog off, if I turn off all of the lights. I did the lights and I just made it like a little bit more pretty off stream, I guess. Yeah, it looks really flat. It's amazing how much a bit of lighting adds to it, doesn't it? Anyways, I'm glad you think it looks good, even though I don't know how much you've seen so far. But yeah, I've been enjoying working on it. What was this, like 0.1? I'll add in the fog. Oh, do I need to remember all of the fog settings, or did I just have them at default? This looks fine. Anyways, let's fix our HUD here. Actually, let's see if this scales properly now. So hopefully... Oh no, it won't, because I haven't changed the... yeah, it's still going to be the same. Ooh. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Huh. This is weird, isn't it? I wouldn't have expected things to work like this. This is gonna be hard to, maybe I can do... Save this as its own scene. That might make it easier to work on. Oh my god, I'm so bad at organizing things. I don't even know where the player is. Where do I put the player? Enemies, fonts, levels, materials, models. How bad is that? Objects. Straight up, it's just in objects. Okay. It's just here. HUD, sure. There's in there. Save. It's not actually, it's not really player stuff, is it? The HUD, but oh well, it's fine. Okay. So this should be easier to work on. There we go. Do I need this? Oh, that's the crosshair. Interesting. Does this still work? It doesn't. Yeah. Okay. That should be fine. It's not still. It's weird. Why is that? Oh, is it because the crosshair doesn't have a texture attached to it? No, material, yeah. Oh boy, it's been a while. I'm gonna take a minute or two to remember where everything was. Crosshair, here we go. Okay, does this work now? Is it fixed? It's still not. Why? What happened? Dot crosshair. Crosshair. Crosshair texture rec. Crosshair. Is this the only spot this shows up? I think so. Why is it? What have I done? What have I done? I am confused now. It's just... Oh, duh. That was stupid of me. No. It's just got disconnected there, that's why. Okay. What's the best way to do this? Excuse me. Something about in the streams, my throat always goes. Maybe it's just because I'm not drinking enough. Okay, maybe I'll switch this to this here. We'll make this the new scene. Do this. I wonder if this still works. It should, right? Yeah, it does. Well, no, it doesn't actually. It doesn't still work. That's okay. I'll probably move this to this one here. So let's actually do that. Control. Oh, this is gonna be, maybe, it's gonna be more annoying than I'm thinking, isn't it? Yeah, because I need to attach all of these to here now, right? Yeah, I do. That's fine. That's fine. We'll do that. Hopefully I'm not giving myself too much of a headache. Oh. Why does it not let me? Target method? It's the first time I've ever seen that. What's going on? Oh, duh. I'm dumb. I'm very dumb. Okay. And health update. It's this one. This one is... Oh, this is a holdover. We don't need this. Okay, hopefully everything's working normal again. Of course it's not. What was that error? Node not found. Cows. Oh. We need to redo all of this then. This is just gonna be this, and this is gonna be this. Take 30, there we go. Everything should be... Yeah, there we go. Now it's working again. Oh, except the coins aren't working. Why aren't the coins working? Into a value string. Oh, it's because it's got the same name. Coins is some bad naming convention there, but it's fine. I'm surprised it lets you... Oh. Oh. String? Well, how did I do this? How did that happen? How did that D get there? Can I collect coins now? Yes. Oh, why did it... It's changed how it's working, but that's okay. That's fine. Now we can actually work on the layout here and making sure it works properly. Okay, cows. Kind of done this backwards, haven't I? That's fine. God, I gotta remember how all this works. Is it not? There we go. Left, right. How is that 0? There we go. We want this to be like in the center here, don't we? Just above it here. Okay, that should be good like this. Now if we go here, and go left like 0.1, 0.1, we'll also need to, let's put the theme in here and get rid of these themes, I think, right? Sorry, I'm sneezing now. Jeez. What's going on? Let's add our theme to this one. There we go. Now we can, we'll probably need to increase the, font size. It's kind of small, isn't it? The font size. Is there an easy way to do that without just... I guess you just gotta do theme overrides. I don't know, how much is 50? 50 looks pretty good. Maybe like 40 is a bit better. It's not inherit. Huh, the theme layout, that's strange. Let's see here. Center top of this one. Let's do a custom. Oh, both of those bring it down weirdly. I'm doing this like the worst way possible, aren't I? These don't need to be children, do they? I don't think so. It's just gonna make things more complicated for no reason. Center? That's the center? Uh, 0.15, sure. Top 0.15, that's too far. 0.1, oh. Oh. These can go negative? I didn't know you could put those negative. Anyways, 0.025, that looks fine. And then we can move this one over a bit. Is that good enough? Doesn't need to be perfect right now. I also kind of want to change the font too. Maybe I should change the font before, or I keep doing this. Oh well. I'll deal with it. Let's do this as well. How far down is this one? 0.5, really? That's it? Oops. Okay. Alright, how did I do this before? Coins text. Total coins. It's text minus coins. Okay. It's probably gonna cause some issues, but this is fine. Problem is when the coins here, well, let's fix sizes so it's easier to see, and then we can look at the problems that this is going to cause. Problem is when this gets updated to like more than a single digit, so for example when we go from 9 to 10 it goes left and then it overlaps like that. We don't want that. So how do I fix that? I think the answer is I don't, and I put enough space for 2 double digits, and then we just don't make a level that has more than 100 coins. I think that's the answer that I'm gonna go with right now. That's the easy answer. Okay. I'll do custom, bring this back here. Why is it? There we go. And our anchor points, we're gonna go all the way. Oops. What do we want? 0.85? We probably want 0.8. Let's do it like that. And then, I don't know. How much is 0.1? Oh, it's like almost perfect. 0.15 is too far. How much is this one? It's 0.15? Why is it? Weird. It's strange that these don't line up. That's weird. I don't know why that is. Oh, well, whatever. Whatever works for now. Let's fix this first. Sure. How far, where does this go? Like right here? 0.875, is that a good number? Sure. And actually what we'll do as well is like that. Give it a bit of room to breathe. Oops. Okay, well, let's see what this looks like. And it crashes, of course. What changed? Any type of null on it? Oh, God. Because I changed this, right? Coins. That's total coins, though. I think I'm being dumb somewhere. I am being dumb. What did I do? Why did I do it like this? Coins text, so this should be total coins. Coins update, total coins. Total coins update, okay. Yeah. Why did I have it the other way before, and why was it working? What is wrong now? Coins.text. Huh? What's wrong with this? This looks fine to me. Why is it not liking that? Type string. Int. Oh. We're running into this problem again. I'm naming everything the same name, which is dumb of me to do. There we go. That's a bit better. How does it look when we collect 10 coins? Yeah, I need to change this, I really need to change this, font. It looked cool in the demos, but it's pretty unreadable. Okay, that looks fine. I could even maybe put it closer together, honestly. Okay. Let's see if this works in different the screen sizes now. It should, if I've done everything correctly. There we go, it does. Okay, so that's one thing mostly done. One little fix I wanted to do. The next fix that I just spotted was when we collect the coins have a light on them. When we collect the coin, the light just like disappears. It makes it look kind of awkward. So maybe I'll do like I'll make the light like fade out rather than just instantly disappear. What's the light set to right now? Why is this angry? Light scale does not assume. Why is the scale? Is the scale more than 1? Why would I have changed that? Okay, do I set the timer to? How long does this thing last? 10 seconds it lasts. Okay, that's easy. What we can do is do a little bit of a hack, I guess. What we'll do is timer starts and ooh, I guess we'll need to put it in the process here. Oh, but it ancient. Let's move this out of here. Why does the scale keep wanting to reset to 4? I don't understand why it's doing that. Okay, now it should be fine. So what we can do is in here, that doesn't matter. Oh, actually, oh yeah, we can do light dot energy, I guess. Light energy is light energy. I assume it's just a float. Equals timer dot time left. What's the name of the time? Wait, time divided by 10. Then as it gets lower, it should get smaller, right? It's still going up and down as well, and then it just doesn't work. Okay, why is that? There must be like a time left, isn't there? I thought there was something that you just get the time that's... Yeah, it's always going to be 10, because that's the total wait time. But how do I... what's the... Alright, time for the Godot API page. Godot timers, let's take a look, shall we? We'll all look together. Okay. Time left, it is just time left. Why is it not showing up? weird. Anyways. Huh. Oh, there's... Now it works, so, strange. If... You know what, I should do this the right way here. I don't know if it is... Okay, I shouldn't have closed, paused. How does this work? If true, the timer is paused and will not process until unpaused again, even if start is called. Okay, so how do I know if is stopped? It's true if the timer is stopped. That's what we want. Should slowly fade away, I'm hoping. It does, look at that. And actually what I could do is... put all this here, that way it doesn't bounce up and down. Oh, but wait. No, that's the opposite of what I want. Hold on. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. Oh! I ruined something here. This is what we want here. There. That's what we want. There we go, it's like almost not even noticeable, but it won't feel so abrupt anymore because it feels like the particles should give off a bit of light, but I don't really. I think you maybe could do that in the particle settings, but that seems pretty overkill for what I want them to do. We just don't want it to go like pitch black instantly is all. Let's go to the darker areas and grab some and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks a little more natural now. Could even go a little quicker, honestly. It's fine. Okay, that's good. What other little thing did we want to fix? I mean, I still need to add like the end screen and fix all that up so that it brings you back to the main menu. We still need to add like the save game stuff, which is always my least favorite thing to do. Maybe that's what I should do now. Oh, I don't really want to do that though. That doesn't sound like fun. What else can we do? Oh, I did want to try and fix the cows turning so sharply. They just like spring into their next direction. I wanted them to slowly turn. Let's see if I think I tried it before and it was a pain, but maybe I can try it again and see if I can get it to work how I want it to. Awesome cow asset. Well, glad you like it. I did not make it. I can't take credit for it. Let me see if I can find it if you're interested. God, I'm forgetting what it was called. These are games, that's why I'm going into the wrong section here. I don't think it's this one. Here it is. They are animated as well. It's this here, if you're interested. Quaternius. They're really nice. Yeah, there you go. Anyways, and yeah, there's more than just the cows there as well. And there's a bunch of different animations they have, but I'm not using animations because I was running into problems with this, and I didn't really want them to begin with. I kind of think it's funnier to watch them hop around like they do. I love their little dance. Anyways, what was I doing again? Hello Slayer, good to see you again. Okay. I mean... Lerp. Can I just lerp this? Doesn't like it. Use void. This is the problem I was looking at before. Because the look at is like this function. Oh man. Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about it. It's kind of a minor thing. What I did want to do was change the pistol a little bit. Make it a little bit slower but more powerful, I think. So if I do like 0.6, we'll increase the damage to like 15, and we'll minus the spread to like 0.1. That feels a little better. That's way better. It's still slower than the shotgun, but it doesn't feel like how many headshots does it take now? 1, 2, 3. It is 4. I was kind of hoping for 3. 3's a nice number. Should I do some math? Math is hard. 15 times... oh god, 15 times 1.75. How much is that gonna be? $26 damage. And how much health does the cow have? 50. Oh. There should be 2 hits in the head. Oh. Probably just some bad hit detection, but that's fine. So I can maybe even that's fine. That works. I'm happy with how that is. Direct headshots would always be a 1 hit. I want the pistol to not be very good. So the game's like a race against, well, you're not really racing against time, but it's more just see how fast you can do the level. And basically kind of want the player to choose how long should they go and get the shotgun because it's so much better, or can they go this way with the pistol and still do well. Just basically as many decisions as possible is always good for time trial, and like you can kind of still kill them without slowing down at all. Just have to have good aim. Yeah, this is good. Oh, that's the other thing. We need to make a explosion particle for the barrel blowing up. I haven't done that yet. I keep meaning to do that, but I'm so bad at making particles. Okay. What was I just had a thought that I was going to do something, and I'm forgetting what it was now. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, the let's make a better reticle. It's too big and clunky and in the way. I don't like it. So now y'all get to see my incredible Photoshop skills. Actually, I kind of want to see. Oops. How big is the crosshair here? 128 by 128. Okay. So we'll do that then as well. Same size. Just to avoid any headaches. Okay. This is going to be really hard to make this reticle. It needs to be extremely precise. So what we're going to do is... we're going to do the pencil. Ooh, how am I going to find the center? Oh, I've got the thing on the bottom. So 128.62, right? There we go, done. New reticle. It doesn't look like it's in the center, but according to the thing it is. I will trust that that is centered. Maybe my eyes are just wonky. Default reticle. We'll export that, and we'll bring that to our thing. There we go. Let's see how this looks now. Better than this giant thing in the way of your eyes all the time, I'm hoping. Let's see. Where does this go again? I don't think this changes anything. I think... Oh, I need to put it in the weapons, yeah. We can keep that there anyways, though. That's fine. Actually, let's do this. Oh. Huh? Texture rec. It needs to be a texture rec. Oh, okay. That's fine. And I will redo what I just undid. Does that change? I think the weapon still has the reticle on it, right? Yeah, so you can switch it for each weapon. I forgot about that. So what we do for that is nice and easy. Oop. That's better. That looks way better. But we're not going to make that. Still confused how the emission works on those particles. They only emit when player's close, and I'm not sure why that is. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Let's make another reticle here as well for the shotgun, which will be just a big circle, like I'm thinking like the Halo shotgun kind of a deal. What's the best way to do that? Make this bigger, like size 100. I want to go right in the center again. Oop. And then I can do an eraser and make the size like 90. Go right in the center again. Uh-oh, why has it gone to decimal points? Oh, this is hard. Hold on, let's zoom in. .62 is there. And there. Does not look centered, does it? Why is it not centered? Like, that looks better like this, doesn't it? Oh, is the edge hardness 100? Why does it do that? A bit thinner, that's fine. Yeah, this is not very good, is it? But it is what it is. Actually, that's pretty good. Alt. Export that one. Minimize that. Then we can put that onto the shotgun. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, it's kind of small, isn't it? I wanted it to be bigger. Okay. That's way smaller than I thought it was going to be. Let's make it bigger. Let's do like 512. This might be too big now. That's okay. Can I copy a layer? Can I just drag it over to here? No. Looks like I can. It doesn't really let me. Why not? Why not, GIMP? Oh, there we go. That's better. We can just scale this up. Scale. Can I do width? How much? What if I do like 500? Oops. 500. 500. Can you guys not do this? Okay. I want to keep it in the center. fine. Oh no, that's not even close. Why can't I move this now? There we go. I think people are gonna notice that it's a few pixels off center. But we'll see if I notice. Oops. Actually, is this just gonna instantly replace that one already? Let's find out. Do you plan on implementing multiplayer functionality, or is it single player mode only? It's just single player. Well, that's not even close to the center of the screen, is it? Something's gone wrong. Something has gone wrong. Yeah, there's no multiplayer. Right now. If I was gonna make multiplayer, it would probably be a different game. This one is, but who knows? Why is it so far off the center? What is going on? That's really strange. The gun is pointed at the center. However, the reticle is centered on the gun head. I don't think the reticle is centered on the gun head. I thought it was just centered on the center of the screen. Let's find out. I'm still confused about how this layout works here. Anyways, weird. This one goes in the center, no problem, and then this one... That's very strange. Why would that be? Oh, it's probably because... It's not actually picking the center. Is it picking like from the corner of where it starts? But then this one should be off as well. But it looks, it's like dead center. That's very strange. It's just not the issue I was expecting. That's really weird. Keep size. Scale, keep centered. There we go. Maybe that's gonna help. Nope. It's so weird. Width? Oh, is it because... Hold on, does this have... Oh, this isn't part of the center. What if I do this? Or oh, shoot. Hold on. What was it before? It was just centered, but it's not centered. That's so weird. That's... Huh. 0.5, yeah. I mean... My guess is that it's offset by the size of the is that center? Should I count the pixels on my monitor and see if that's in the center? It isn't. I'm guessing it just has to do with the size of it. Size. I mean, worst case, I'll just make it smaller. Oh, now I've really messed it up, haven't I? Ah, great. What have I done? Where is it gone? It's up in the top left corner now. Why is it up there? Oh no. Really confused about how this viewport works. Where is it gone? Where did it go? Well, that's not changing anything. Oh boy, I've just messed something up. What did I do? Let's just put this in the center, right? Okay, there. Did that just fix it magically somehow? It did. So why would it get so... Oh, there goes the Godot physics again. You okay? He's having a bad time. Huh. Oh, I wonder if, I don't think there's like an offset here for them at all. No. Weird. Well, I guess we could just go back to this one. I mean, what if I make, hold on. If I like double this. Ooh, not that. Now what happens? It's always the little things you never expect are going to cause problems. Like changing a crosshair out I thought was going to take 2 seconds. And then all of a sudden, it turns into this big ordeal. So is this going to be like super offset as well? Where did my game go? What is going on? Hello, Godot? That was weird. It is offset as well. Still don't know why this happens here as well. They shouldn't be able to get decals stuck to them, but I don't know. So why is that happening? Does this have... If I ignore size, what happens then? There we go. Okay, that's what it was doing then. Okay, so let's try this again. Let's go back to this guy. Where are my pictures? Alright, take 67 for changing a PNG in my game. Hopefully this... Oh my god. Why was this so complicated? Hopefully this works now. Well, I guess that is where you want it. Is that center? Feels a little off, doesn't it? So this zone's dead center. Yeah, it's down and to the left now. Which this is... okay, this makes more sense to me now, because it's... the center of that image is in the top left corner of this PNG. So what I need to do is... but the other one wasn't. Why is the other one dead center? Shouldn't it also be sitting on the top left? More size, fit width. Hold on. Ignore size. Keep centered. Okay. This one's fine. Ooh. There we go. That's what we want. Alright. We've done it. We've done the hardest thing in game development, which is changing the reticle picture. We did it, everybody. Well done. Okay, so that's cool. Now, what else can we do that's gonna be fun and not tedious and boring? Trying to think. Kinda need like an end screen, don't we? Or a better end screen than what I have right now. And the end screen needs to go back to the main menu. But if I'm gonna do that, then I'd want to do like the save game stuff. I don't really want to do save game stuff because that's really boring. Oh man. What else can we do? Could add like a power-ups. Could I make a power-up? Power-up could be a fun thing to do. Put that somewhere. Super speed power-up. Make the screen go red. Make the player run faster. Make the gun shoot faster. Yeah, that sounds like fun. Let's do that. Let's do that, shall we? I also wanted to add like some music to the game, but I'll find some music off stream that's really boring. Listening to music over and over. I mean, I like listening to music, but trying to find the right music is also very tedious and time consuming. Okay. Let's make a power up. That's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do, I guess I can just start with No blood when killing cows. There kind of is right now. That is something I need to do, but like I've said before, I'm so bad at making the particle stuff, so I'm putting that off till like last almost. There is, like I have like basically a placeholder blood effect. It's very minimal. It's more just a concept thing, and it looks terrible, but it looks nice, so well, we'll agree to disagree on that. But yeah, just shooting it, only when the limbs fall off is there any blood. So maybe, yeah, having like a little particle thing when you shoot it to go red would be nice as well. But anyways, it looks good. Okay, I'm glad you think it looks good. I feel like I need to work on that a lot. All the effects and stuff need to be polished a lot. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we're gonna let's make a power-up, because that's fun and that's different and it gives us some new things to work on. So what I'll do is, add some force to the ragdolls from the die of the shotgun. There is a little bit of them. I could increase it here, and then we'll see if it looks better. Like, we'll put this to like 20. This should be more fun. Yeah, they get pushed a little bit. Oh, maybe they don't when they die. That's weird. Huh. But there is a... There you go. I don't know why it didn't at one time. How's that? That's actually kind of funnier, isn't it? Alright, you're right. You're right, this is much, much better. We're keeping it like this. Oh, I think what it is if you hit the limbs, I think all the force goes into the limb and not into the cow. Yes, I think that's what's happening. Painkiller style shotgun? I've never played Painkiller. Like, should... Okay, there we go, that worked. It just doesn't go off sometimes, I'm not sure why. Anyways, this is a lot better. You're right there. Who suggested that? Quadradet. Good suggestion, I like it. We'll keep it like that for now. I'm sure we'll get to see Godot physics freak out a lot more, but that just adds to the charm, I think, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. Let's make a power-up. We'll just call it like speed power-up. Power-fup? Power-up. So what do we need in the speed thing? Well, we need an area to collide with, so let's do that. Why does this keep happening? I don't know what Godot's throwing these errors at me. Movement controller.g, like that doesn't exist. But why is it even looking for it to begin with? Anyways, I don't know. I will just make this like a nice little sphere. We'll make it like kind of big. I will need some kind of model to bob up and down. Oh, I can use one of the ancient artifacts ones that I have. I'll just use one of those ones. Those ones are cool. And we'll make it like red or something, to glow red, so it stands out from a coin, a regular coin. But anyways, for now, save this as 2 pieces. No. Collectibles, here we go. Speed power up, and then we'll put a script on this. Okay. I'll go there. Can get rid of this? No, we don't want to get rid of this. We want to copy paste some code. We'll do this one here. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other one. Oops. I'll just kind of do the same thing again. I'll add the timer. Put this in here. Yeah. I know you're mad at me. That better? Time. Oh, right. We need all this. Light. We need to add a light. Light. Put that above there. And this in here. And we'll call it light. Okay, perfect. And then we'll make this 10 seconds, one shot. On time out, we free this on body entered. Timer dot start. Shape dot disabled is gonna be true. That's basically. What does this do in the level manager? We don't need a level manager on this one. Okay, I'm gonna go to the washroom real quick, and then we'll get back into this one. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's get back into our power up. Let's see. So, let's actually get a let's get a model set up for this one. Which model do I want to use? Where's Blender? There it is. Oh wait, no, open recent. I can just do that, right? What? Is it really not in here? Oh, because it's not a blend file. That's why. Import. Use object. One moment. Is this where I kept it? Here it is. Here we go. And, oh god, which one was it? Was it this one? It is this one. Okay. First thing we do is we get rid of all this stuff because we don't need that. So now, which one of these is going to be the best looking thing for a power-up? Maybe this guy here looks like a power-up guy. I like this one on the right, but it doesn't... I'm so bad at using Blender, I don't know how to make the eyes glow, so maybe we'll just use this guy. We'll use this one a long time. Why is the YouTube thing? It says it's good connection, but it's just not loading anything. What's going on? Okay, Oh, there we go. It's back on? Oh, it's back now. There we go. That was weird. Thank you, Quadrajet. You've, there we go. As soon as you said that, it came back. Yeah, that was weird. No idea. First time, that's really happened. Okay, I guess we're back. We'll get back into it. And just cross our fingers that whatever that was is a one-time thing. And that it doesn't happen again. Right? Yes, okay, good. Okay, we'll pick this guy here, and then maybe I can like just... It might be fun to just throw pots in the scene as well, that the player can just walk around and they don't want to do anything, they'll just be physics objects. But anyways, we'll worry about that later. First things first. Oh god, so bad at this. Edit. X-ray. Delete. Delete? Delete everything. Delete everything, okay. Don't need X-ray anymore. We can go back to this one. Move it. Try to center it as best we can. Centered as that. It's pretty close. We can do better. And that should be good enough. And then can Y all transforms. That should be good, and then we can just export this guy, right? I don't know what I'll call this ancient mask. Okay. Let's save that, and then we'll bring this into our game. There we go. How does it look? It looks beautiful. Beautiful. It's amazing. Okay. We got our speed power up, so now let's add this guy in. It's local. Up here. Pretty big, isn't it? That's fine. There. So our light is gonna be... Its eyes are kind of green, aren't they? It's fine. You get like I think like a nice red sound. Red is the power thing, right? Just bright red. Put it here. Size like a meter and a half, maybe. How wide is this thing? Okay. Pretty good. We don't want those to rotate this one. Okay. So, let's see how this looks in our main scene. Okay. Pretty big, isn't it? Get a bit smaller. It is very big. So we'll shrink this guy up. Oh my god. And they're all linked when I don't want them to be, and when they're not linked, I want them to be. that a bit better? That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's weird. Why did it stop? Oh, is it because I walked into its... Why is it stopping? Oh, I know why. I'm stupid. This is why. Player, only collide with the player, don't collide with the ground. Why would the ground need to be powered up? There we go, that's better. Now when I touch it though, that's when it should disappear. Slowly fade away into obscurity and then boop. There we go, okay. First thing we'll do is ask dot visible equals false. What next? We need the we want this to be like 0.25. I don't want it to go up and down as much. Just kind of ominously floating. Could even need less than that, maybe. Oh no, that's pretty good. Weird shadow it casts, isn't it? I'll have to change the spot of the light too, so it's not being all weird. Oh, it is right there. I want it in the center here like that. Weird. It's like... Huh. Strange. Should be fine like that, right? Why doesn't the light work like that? I don't know. It's got that stupid, like, why is there... Maybe we'll just go like this, just to avoid any problems. That looks fine. Ooh, shiny on the top, isn't it? Very shiny. Oh, that was a little weird. I just noticed this other thing too, so I'm gonna fix it. 0. Q. That's better. Don't want to look like we're starting with 10 coins. Alright, perfect. Well, that's the easy part. Now the part where it actually has to do something. Why are we getting errors? Can't change the state. Oh, I call deferred. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. That's what I do here, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. That error should be gone. Okay. So what do we want to happen when we speed up? We want the player to run a bit faster. We want the guns to fire faster. So maybe I can just add bar. Hello Drax, how are you? How are you doing? Power up speed, I guess. It'll be 1 by default, and then I could just multiply the speed by whatever I want to increase. Right? It should be fine. I don't see why it wouldn't be. Times movement speed times power up speed. And we can do this for the gun as well. Oh, how are we gonna do it for the gun? Well, let's just worry about movement for now, and then I'll worry about the gun stuff afterwards. So this should work the exact same as we are right now. Yeah, that shouldn't change anything. But we get this. I guess we'll need a timer with the player as well. Speed, power up. Because maybe I'll have other power-ups that will use their own timers and you can get multiple power-ups. I don't want them to overwrite each other. So we'll do that and put this guy up here somewhere next to the other timers. Speed power up timer. Power up speed equals 1. Okay, so we can just do this. Speed power up equals, let's do a 5, let's go crazy. And then we can also do body, or actually, maybe it's better if I do like a function. Function damage function, let's just call it power up. Power up. And then we can have some variables in here. So we'll do type equals 0, I guess. Time equals, I don't know what's a good amount of time, 10 seconds. And then what else? I guess amount, maybe? Or, yeah, we'll just call it amount. 2 will be the default, I guess. I don't know how that's going to work in with other power-ups, but it's fine. So, if type equals 0, this is, I guess, speed power up, then speed power up timer dot start time. Maybe we'll call this like p time, just because having a variable called time is probably not great. I imagine there's already a default one called time in Godot somewhere. P time, and then power up speed equals amount. Power up. Okay. That should just, this should do something now. We'll see how many errors we get, how many times the game crashes. Oh, it doesn't. Oh my god, it works. We're super speedy now. Hopefully it only lasts 10 seconds. It does. And it goes down. Wow, that actually worked. Okay. Wow, that was, I got that working quicker than I expected. We'll do 0, 10. We'll do like 2.5 speed. Ooh, even 2.5 speed is fast. It's faster than the 5, it feels like. Or maybe it was only 2. I think it was only 2. Maybe we'll do like 1.5 is all we need. And then maybe what I can do is, we are faster. I want to check out the body power of the cows might set it off and crash it. Yes, that is probably a good idea. Cows shouldn't set it off because the, it's only messed with the player, but you are right. It is good practice to, do this. I always forget to do it, and then much later into the development some issues start coming up, so we will do that. That is a good good programming tip there. Thank you, Quadrajet. That's fine. 1.5, what else we can do is maybe you can change like the FOV as well. That's the best way to do that. I guess we just change it to like what, 120 or something crazy. That way it looks like you're running even faster. That could be cool. Camera dot FOV equals, I guess, just 120. There we go. How cool is that? It should animate though a bit, though it's a bit abrupt, the stop there, switching FOVs. You can't tween those. I guess I could just add an animation thing. I'll just add an animation player and this can do a bunch of different stuff. What should I call this? Like effects animation. Sure. And our animation will be FOV change. Be like, I don't know, 0.25 seconds. Lerp for the FOV, yeah, I was thinking that, but then I'd be putting it in the physics project. I don't think, well, I could try it. I'm not 100% sure how Lerp works. Like if I just do it here, alert from oops, camera FOV to 120. 3, I guess just like 0.5. Not 100% sure. I didn't like that. Argument 2 from int to float. Oh my god. Jesus, so picky, so picky. Yeah, it's only gonna do the one. Like I could do it this way, but I'm just gonna end up with a bunch of code that's just gonna be confusing. It's probably better to do it through the code, but this is easier, and I don't imagine that I'm gonna be doing too many other things with this. Yeah, this is going to be pretty static as well. Like if I wanted to be able to change the FOV in settings, this wouldn't really work this way. But for now, this is fine. If I want to add in that stuff later, I can do all that. For now, this is okay. xanimals.play FOV change. Should be able to play backwards. There it is. FOV change. Perfect. Oh, it makes that jump hard, doesn't it? That looked a little wonky on the out, or was that just me? Let's see. There's like a weird flash. Is that just me that's seeing that? What's going on there? What is that flash? What if, I wonder if it has to do with, this. Is the play backwards kind of being weird? Is that what it is? Let's find out. No. It doesn't flash when I get it, does it? Oh, that's fine. Oh, that's why. Duh. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Oh, MK Code's good to see you again. You're coming here giving me all the compliments. I like it. I'm glad you think it looks good. That's okay. This should fix that issue there. We'll wait here for 8 more seconds and see if it's fixed itself, hopefully. Well, not fixed itself, I fixed it. Oh. Yeah, okay, that's better. This is pretty baked in as far as what I can do with these effects, but it's fine. How do I delete an animation track? I don't know if I've ever done that. Oh, I don't want to do that. Edit. Delete section. There it is. Well, that didn't do anything. Press animation. There it is. Remove. Okay, I don't think I've ever had to remove one before. There we go. Thanks for the tip. Okay, so there we go. We've got our bit of a speed power-up working now. I guess we can do other power-ups too. Why not? It's almost too fast, but I love it. This is great. Let me slow down. I'll have to add, maybe I can add like a... Oh. What was that? Did that just... When I picked up that coin, did it just play the FOV animation? That was weird. Why does it... Huh. Oh, I know why. It's playing over and over again because it's looped. Oh, no, it's not looped. Speed. Oh, is it because, there we go. Right? Oh, that was strange. Oh. Oh, we still can't make that jump. Okay. Is it gonna play that again? Which post-processing effects do I have? I'll show you in a sec. It's really not a whole lot I did. And it's surprising how much the lighting changes it. Okay, it looks like the animation isn't playing anymore. I'm guessing it had to do with that timer going off. Can I make online multiplayer games in Godot? Yes, you can. There is multiplayer functionality. That is... I know nothing about the Godot online multiplayer functionality. I think MK Codes said you've done a couple of online stuff. I have not looked at any of the online stuff for Godot at all. But you can do it. It is there. Anyways, so it looks like I fixed the timer's problem. I don't know why it was a problem, but it's fixed now. So for the effects, all I'm doing is... I mean, the world environment is really dark, and then I've added a ton of... I've added a bunch of lights everywhere that are kind of like green-hued. So these lights... So just make the environment really dark. I added a bunch of lights everywhere. And then the little cherry on top is volumetric fog. And that's really it. That's all I've done. Like if I turn all of this off, I turn this off, I turn the lights off, and I put this back to like 1, it's back to looking like this. It's incredible how much just adding lighting to a thing makes it, that makes a difference. Do I know a good tutorial? For multiplayer stuff, I don't. But I know on YouTube there's, if you look up like Godot multiplayer or just Godot tutorials, there's tons and tons of stuff. There's lots of free things. Or if you prefer, like the Godot API page, if you just want more technical stuff rather than a walkthrough tutorial, the Godot API page is great as well. And there are some things that are missing from the API page, but for the most part, the major things are all covered there. Yeah. What am I missing? Yeah, the volumetric fog really does add a lot to it, doesn't it? It just adds so much more, I don't know, well, fog, I guess, but it's cool, yeah. Anyways, it's almost starting to look like a real game. Almost. Okay, what I should add is I should have something in the HUD that like shows your power-up draining away. That would be a nice little effect to have, I think. So, maybe we'll just do that here. Oh my god. I'm blanking. What do I want? Control. Jesus. This is what I want. I guess I'll just call it HUD stuff. How many HUDs am I gonna have in this game? Like 4 or 5 HUDs are all gonna be called HUD. That's okay. As long as I know what each of them are, it's fine. Okay. Let's see. What should we add for... Should it be a countdown? Or I think I'm imagining a loading bar, but it's full, and then both sides slowly contract into the center until it's gone. Always wanted to test out VR using Godot. I just need a headset. That's, yeah, another thing I haven't looked at at all. Is there like a... Does Godot have like a VR stuff set up? Or do you just have to do like 2 cameras and figure it out yourself? Or is there actually like a... Oh, there you go. There you go. There it is. Camera with VR tracking set up. Learned something new. I didn't know Godot had default VR stuff. I guess it makes sense. There are some nodes, yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's make... what kind of a... what kind of a thing do I want here? Probably want... I guess just a color rect. Does the color rect have texture rect? I guess is what we want. That'd be better. Anchor points. 0.5. From the bottom, we'll do like 0.1. 0.9. Okay. Now the question is, what kind of a texture can we use? Probably just... Maybe we'll just use one of the UI ones. Lighter fade. These could look alright. They're kind of one-sided though. Panels? Panel would be cool, yeah. Just color it. Or one like this. Like this, and then color out the center. Or this one. Here we go, this is perfect. So maybe I'll put... Well, I guess we'll just put this here for now. And... Oh, oops. How am I gonna do this? I want it to look at least a little nice, even if it's not something I'm gonna stick with. Keep. I see, that's what keep does. Keep centered. That's what that does. Tile. Oh, this is an interesting way to do it. This could be interesting. Maybe we'll pick a different one. Something like this. Actually, yeah, you know what? Let's just do something really simple to start with. No, it doesn't, more size, bit width, bit height proportional, keep size. Ah, this is fine, whatever. We'll just modulate it to be a nice deep red. That's fine. And then... oh, wait, actually, isn't there a, like a fill or something like that? Flow container. I thought there was menu bar, panel, progress bar. This is what this is the one. Textured progress bar. This is what I wanted. Progress bar, yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted. I knew there was something that that I'd used before. Okay. Now the question is, what texture should I use? Under, over, progress? Under? Just under the progress bar's background. Okay, so we can pick a background. This looks like a fun background, so we'll put that there. Progress. I don't know, a noise texture, that could be fun. Fast noise, sure. Again, we'll just make it like red. Tint. Oh, you can just do it this way. Huh. Okay, the progress is just this. It's the progress. Radial fill. We don't want a radial fill. Ah, it's a bit more than bigger than I was hoping. Okay, maybe let's not use this here. Let's there, do I just have like a solid? Oh, this is what I can do here. Okay. Oh, how do I stretch this? Stretch margin. Do I have to have all of the assets the right size already? I can't stretch them out? It's not gonna let me do that? guess not. 9 patch stretch. Oh, it does. There you go. I wanted to do... Oh, well, this is fine. Left or right is... Well, I was hoping to do, like... for both sides, burning, like, a candle on both ends and into the center. Oh, bilinear. There it is. That's what I wanted. Jeez. And then, progress, we can just put in, I don't know. Just put this one in right now for progress. Can I not? There it is. Perfect. I mean, it looks terrible, but it's working, and I can just add in my own thing afterwards. Okay. And we'll set it to 100. Max value 100, step 1 by 1. That's fine. Speed, power up, bar, bat, bar. That's just gonna show up on the thing, isn't it? There it is. How beautiful is that? It looks awful, doesn't it? Man, it's so much harder to play this game when you're going so fast, but I guess you'll get used to it. And I'm sure there's lots of like skips and stuff that maybe you can find as well. Let's see. I think you can just run on here, run all the way to the end. Oh, you can't quite make it. Damn. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Let's get this working. What's the best way? I guess, does the timer have like a percentage done, or do I have to calculate that myself? I don't think the timer has a time percentage done. So what's the best way? Well, first things first, let's put this here. Make this not visible to start. We'll make this not visible to start. And then I can just put it as part of the animation. Oh no, I can't. I could. I could make the animation timer the amount, how long it lasts. That would be an interesting way to do it. You know what? I'm gonna do it that way, because I don't see any issues. I'm sure it'll be perfectly fine if it works like this. Then I don't need this either. I can get rid of that. 9.7, this will be 120. 90, perfect. And then we can just put this here. Well, I mean, I guess first things first, we'll do this. Value yes. Value no. Okay, that's good. Then down to 0. Look at that. I'm a genius. Then the other thing I could do is I'll have to change this here. So type, that's fine. Time will be 1. So if you want to change how long the thing lasts, you'll just have to multiply. Its default is 10 seconds, so 1 is 10 seconds. If you want it to last 20 seconds, you do 2. If you want it to last 5 seconds, you do 0.5, 0.1 for half or for 1 second, kind of a deal. That's just how that's going to work. And the amount, that's fine as well. So, let's put this back to perfect. What else? What else? What else? I mean, I could almost get rid of this here as well. Probably could. And just put it in here. Why not? Nothing could go wrong, right? Oh, never mind. It's not part of the. I'll just leave it like that. It's not an export variable. I don't feel like changing it. Okay. I mean, this should just be it. It doesn't look very good. I think I might probably change that actually now. Make it look at least a little better. And I don't know if I like the border either. Okay. I made a power up. Sometimes they don't get the force added to them. I don't know why, really. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's kind of funny either way. Yeah, Godot physics doesn't like this anymore. That's okay. Alright, what are we doing next? We'll probably need a particle effect. Oh god, I'm so bad at particle effects. Well, let's do a CPU particle, it's simpler. Lifetime, like 2 seconds. Gravity, geometry, drawing. Let's do a plane mesh. And let's see. Can I turn this into a billboard? Maybe not. Can this not be a billboard? Whatever. What am I trying to make even? What am I trying to make? I don't know. I have no idea. Well, let's just go with the simple thing that I've done before. Is there not a sphere mesh? There it is, jeez. Radius, 0.1. Height, 0.2. I don't know why that works as a ball, but whatever. Radial segments, we'll need like not very many. In fact, I could probably do less. It doesn't need to be a sphere even, it just needs to be some kind of shape. Okay. Mission shape, point, sphere, sphere radius, that's fine. Initial velocity. Going to the right direction. Here we go. Okay. Color. Red. Why is it not red? It's not changing color. Why is that? Uses albedo. Oh, is that one of the flags for this guy here? The color change? Where would that be? Is it not in here? God, I really need to get better at I should sit down and like learn the particles and stuff. I'm going crazy. Will it not show me? I'm losing my mind. Oh my god. Why can't I find this? Oh, there we go. Jesus. Texture. So that changes the color. Okay, we'll just make them red, and then I think what am I doing wrong here? This color section does nothing. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. What is I doing wrong? What I do wrong? What not work? Particle flags. That's not what we want. Direction, that's fine. Gravity, that's fine. Velocity, acceleration, tangent, damping, angle, scale, color. Let's change the color. Doesn't change anything. Why is that? It's because we're drawing this mesh. Oh my god. Jesus, okay. Now it's gonna change, right? Now it's still not gonna change. Jesus, that took way too long. That took way too long. Okay, let's put some emissions there as well. It's fine. I did find it, oh my god, that took way too long. So, now we could do this. I want to switch these. So it should go from kind of light to darker, right? No? Yeah. We're just falling really far is all. So what I'm actually gonna do is we're gonna change gravity. I'm gonna play God and we're gonna be gravity. I don't want it to go like pitch black though. Sort of lose a bit of color over time. Okay. That's fine. What do I call this? I don't know. Sure. God, I'm bad at particles. I wish I was better at using them. I just don't have the patience. It's a bit big, isn't it? I want this to be a lot smaller. Can I just make it smaller? This cheat will just cheat. Doesn't change the scale of these guys though. Okay. Fine, we'll do it the right way. Des 0.08 is too tall, 0.04. Yeah, close enough. And then, 0.2 to 1. Still kind of lasting a long time, aren't they? Alright, gravity, you're still too strong. Initial velocity is too big now. 0.01 all the way up to 0.08, I don't know. That's cool, that's a bit better. You can't even see them anymore. But what we can do is make this bigger. Alright, let's see how that, they don't look very good, do they? In fact, I'd almost go to say they look terrible. Why aren't they emitting? I thought I gave them emissions. I want to make them glow. Did I not do that? Oh, I don't think I did. Oh no, I did. I want the emission to be... Is there any way I can make the emission same as the color they are? Probably not. I just leave them as like white. How does that work? They are just white. And I still don't understand the emission's not working when you get far away. I don't know why that is. Wait, whatever. See, I want it to look like this, but from far away as well. I don't know why emission things don't work when you get far. There must be like some kind of setting that I have that stops that. Well, let's consult our best friend Google. Emissions play when close. Glow. Is it just going to be in the glow? Is it going to be in here that the issue is? Intensity, strength, bloom, blood mode, map strength. Levels. This would be the first level of glow. Oh my god, I don't know what any of this is. If I put that to 16, what happens? Nothing really. Huh? Spatial shader for this. Correct design maintains consistent. So someone has the same question as me, but they have... Nobody has an answer. Looks like we're really too much dimmer long distance fence this link, okay. Is it the same if you turn volumetric fog off? I'm pretty sure I was having the issue before the fog was on, but I can double check. I remember it was one of the other particles. Yeah, just for some reason, things only glow when you get really close. It's strange. It's like all of them as well. Screen space by a charge from the 10 scale version of the game for blah blah blah. Could fix this by increasing the size of the glow in the project settings. Luminance buffer size. Okay, let's see if this works. Where's the setting? No. Huh? What's this setting this guy's talking about? Rasterizer. Spelling rasterize wrong? No. Luminance buffer size. It doesn't exist. The setting that this person's talking about doesn't exist. Well, this is from like 6 years ago, so maybe it's changed now. Great. Well, that doesn't help me then. Oh, what's this issue? No glow at all on small particles. This is a known issue, great. Sounds like it might just be an issue when something gets too small, it doesn't do the emission properly. So when I get far away, particles don't. That's annoying. I feel like the only way this... Oh, what's this? Well, whatever. Not a big issue. It's just one of those things. Anyways, let's put our speed power up friend into a nice little spot for him to go. I think I have a spot down here that's not being used for anything, so let's throw him in here. Rotate you. Hello? No? How creepy is that? But you want to touch it, don't you? You want to touch it. And hopefully you can't get far enough away to not see the effect. Oh! Looks alright. Yeah, it's just, I wish it would glow better. It's fine. now we're speeding. I don't have any music right now, but when we do put music in, maybe I'll have to put like a filter on the music to make it, I don't know, what kind of filter would you put on the music when you're in super speed? I don't know, I'll have to figure that out after. Strange. Actually, yeah, like even the lights do it, but you don't really notice because the light on them is so bright. Anyways, what next? What else do I need to work on? I mean, lots of things, but what else do I want to work on, I guess is the question. Should I put a light? No, it's nice to have it dark. It's like a bit of a secret. Could put a light at the end of this hallway here. Doesn't really need it though. Okay. What else can we do? Could do like another power up. That's like a one-shot kill type of deal. I don't think I really need that though. That might be something for like another level. I'll add that in for this first level. Like I think the biggest thing I really need to do is add a proper beginning and end. Like I feel like we could add like a like an intro sequence. Oh, that should start like we could add an intro sequence animation, and then you need to do something when you get to the end as well. Go back to the main menu, I guess. Alright, should we do that? I guess what we'll do is we will add a... let me get some water first, see if that helps my brain function properly. Wow, there's a lot of people who tuned in today, jeez. It's unusual for a Godot stream. Already like double the views I normally get on these. Wonder why. Weird, I didn't notice that before. Huh. Anyways, what was I doing? Yeah, so let's do a... Oh, I'll just... Far in cutscene, I guess we'll just call it. Awesome. So, then if not in cutscene, and we can handle all of the controls. So let's see. This should. Why does that keep popping up? Let's do this, and then just do like that. Why does it still show up? Weird. Anyways, so now if player is in a cutscene, you shouldn't be able to move. We can still move the camera. Oh, I can't use my, oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, what's happened? Please, oh no. I can't. Okay. Oh, and Godot crashed. Great. Oh. Great. Okay, well that's let's be a little bit more precise about what we're doing here. Where's handle input? Oh, it's because the camera has its own thing, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Oh, it's just checking input event. If not in cutscene, then we can do that. So let's see, does this work now? No, it doesn't. We're not in a cutscene. So now I should be able to move, but I shouldn't be able to move my camera. Okay. Okay, that works. Handle controls. Mouse capture, this is fine. What we don't want is anything below this, right? Mouse capture, yeah. Okay, this is like our pause here, so I'll put it here. Okay. So now we shouldn't be able to move or move the camera or do anything, but we should still be able to do that. Perfect. Okay. I need to change all of this as well, don't I? But it's fine for now. So the question now is, what kind of cutscene should we start the level with? Should it be like a Mario Kart type deal where there's like these slow panning shots of all of the rooms? Or should it be like a... I think we should be... It should start like this, and then we just get like maybe a countdown. Like it'll tell you on the screen, destroy all the demons, 3, 2, 1, go, and then you're allowed to move. That seems like maybe we can do it just like that. It's not gonna work. Is that gonna look okay? I should get better textures for those. I don't know. What's the best, like, best cutscene to have at the start? I have no idea. This is hard. I'm just thinking. I mean, I guess so. Could do both. Hey, get out of me. What is the answer? Let's just do the simple one to start, I guess. Label, rich text label, just the label's fine. Put this like right in the center of the screen. Where's this? There it is. Could put it offset a little bit, probably. Yeah, I'll just do the center for now. I can change it later if I want. Destroy all demons. Really small text, isn't it? Oh, it's not even... Did I not? I didn't add the theme to this guy. That would be why. Guess this can be an effect animation. New level start. Level start. And we'll just start with 10 seconds for now. I don't think it'll be that long. Property track. Label. What does size do? Oh, it's literally in pixels, so we probably don't want to do that. Can we change just the... transform? Scale, okay. It's fine. So this will start at like 0.2. Blow it up to 1, I guess. Okay, I would like it to start in the center. 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 No, still no. Pivot offset. How do you make it grow from the center? Center, center, auto wrap off. I don't know. Because maybe scale is not the right way to do this. That thing there. Oh. But this is my pixels though. I don't want it to be... Hold on. Here we go. So how do I... Oh, there's probably a... Here it is. Now if I scale this, it still goes like that. Why? I just have to do a... I don't want to do like a font size change. Can I just change the size of the HUD? No, that's not going to work. well, it doesn't matter. Let's just this is a terrible way to do this. Demons, get to the exit. Three, two, one, go. Two, one, go. Autoplay on load. I mean, this should just work, right? Should probably get rid of that off the center of the screen at some point, shouldn't I? That might be a good idea. Just blank out the text, it's fine. Okay. Oops. Alright. We just barely made it onto that. Huh. Not the best collision, but it's fine. Damn, I'm really bad at that jump. That looks really cool, and then when you back off, it looks terrible. Anyways. Okay. Let's can I change some colors here? Pretty blank white is kind of boring. Here we go, font color. Oh, does this have a shadow? Oh yeah, we can add a shadow. Alright, good enough. probably gonna have to add sound effects to that. Well, I will have to add sound effects. It's a thing like it's so tedious doing all different sound effects for every little thing. Anyways, that's fine. So we'll do like this, right? Sounds good. Looks good. Doesn't sound like anything. What is this cross section here? I don't know what that is. No idea. Don't know what it's showing me. Anyways. That's that. Guess we'll need to add a... It's not much of a starting thing, but it's something. I want it to be in front of, the, whatchamacallit, crosshair. Right, can I just bump this up to like 15? Is that just gonna put it above? No, it doesn't still. Okay, maybe I can just, let's just, it doesn't matter. It's fine the way it is. Or we can do this. Up wide. Custom. There. It's good. How does it look? The other thing. This is maybe not good that I'm not scaling the resolution as well. Or the text size. Probably should be. Oh well. What's the smallest this game is going to be running? 640 by 480? As long as it fits in 640 by 480, it should be fine. Doesn't really fit the enemy's thing. We can fix that though, that's fine. Does this, hold on. Oh, there we go, we get that retro. Well, the gun doesn't even really fit on the screen. Now we're playing Quake. Oh my god, the crosshair. Oh, the crosshairs don't scale with the resolution either. Huh. That's okay. of people are going to be playing this resolution, you think? I think it's fine. Ooh. Speed. Oh, that's not good. Why does that show up on top there? Why does that happen? Oh, it's cause... Oh, I'm dumb. It's cause it's part of this. Damn it. You can do better. We can fix this. There. There it is, the horrible, stretchy, pixelated mess of a texture. Okay, actually what I am going to do though is... Let's get rid of this one. Let's see how this looks now. Probably be like infinitely better just by getting rid of that. Let's see. Yeah. All right. All right, so what have we done today anyways? I've done a bunch of little things. That's pretty much all I have left to do. Which is always the worst part, because there's never an end to the little things I want to fix and do. But this should be fine. Oh, as if that missed. So what are all the little things I need to do? I still need to do the end screen. I probably should do that now, but I'm getting tired. Been going for I don't know how long because the stream cut out at one point. We're going for like 3 hours, yeah. I would normally go longer, but I'm getting tired. Why is GIMP being all mad? Quit GIMP. Discard changes, sure, I don't care. So what are the big things? Big things are a bunch of sound effects. I might just do the sound effects off stream because they're so boring to do. And then the big things are gonna be the end screen, going back to the main menu. I'll need to implement, I'll probably need to do a loading screen, and then the saving the stats as well. Loading the screen and saving stats will kind of go hand in hand a little bit, which are also boring to do. So I might finish all of that off stream, honestly. I wanted to make this light a bit more substantial. 20. That look a bit better. Maybe like even like doesn't change much, does it? How does it look in the game? Oh yeah, it lights up like this whole room. That's cool. Yeah, that's good. It's like dark down here because it's in the way of that. Oh, we get the shadows casting and everything. Even the player casts a shadow. I never noticed that before. Huh. Anyways, I think that's going to be it for today. I am tired and a little hungry. Again, it's getting to the point where all the things I need to do are very small, but they take just as long as the big things do. Slow going, but hey, that's okay. Alright, I think... Is there anything else? Not really. I guess Elden Ring will be tomorrow. And then Thursday will be Dota. And then Final Fantasy Friday. Oh, busy week this week. Still need to make the stupid particle effect for the explosion, but I know whatever I do is going to look terrible. I wonder if I could just grab like a 2D explosion texture and then just like billboard it. That might look okay. Actually, I probably won't. I could try it. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. Thank you everybody for tuning in. There was a lot of new people today, a lot of people in chat. It was fun. Anyways, like I said, what did I say? Elden Ring tomorrow. But for now, I hope you all have a wonderful night, morning, and or evening, depending on where you live, and as always, goodbye.